Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for beginners. First, you'll want to set up your company profile and customize your chart of accounts to fit your business needs. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts to automatically import transactions. This saves a lot of time. Finally, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It provides a quick, visual summary of your business's financial health, helping you stay organized from day one. Once set up, you can easily manage your money. Create and send professional invoices to customers, then record their payments when received. For expenses, enter vendor bills and schedule payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Remember to categorize every transaction accurately. This is crucial for generating meaningful financial reports later on. It keeps your books tidy and your business insights clear. Understanding your business's financial health is simple with QuickBooks reports. You can generate key reports, such as the profit and loss statement, to see your income versus expenses. It's also vital to reconcile your bank and credit card statements monthly. This process ensures all transactions are accounted for and helps catch any discrepancies, giving you a precise picture of your financial standing. As you become more comfortable, explore advanced features like payroll to manage employee compensation and taxes efficiently. QuickBooks also offers robust budgeting tools, allowing you to set financial goals and track your progress against them. This helps you make informed decisions for future growth. And speaking of good habits, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you work.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.